Hi, I'm Megan Haynes with Heart to Home AZ at Realty One Group, and welcome to your dream home in the heart of Gilbert, Arizona. Now, this beautifully updated home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and is 1,527 square feet. While the exterior is freshly painted, you're going to love the updated flooring and fresh new paint on the inside as well that makes this home feel bright and modern. The kitchen has been completely updated with new cabinets, countertops, and appliances. It's stylish, functional, and move-in ready. And don't forget the updated electrical and HVAC. All of the big ticket items have been taken care of. And wait until you see this newly resurfaced PebbleTec pool. And the decking has been updated also. Whether you're entertaining friends or just relaxing on a sunny day, this backyard has it all. Located near walking trails and parks, and just a quick drive to downtown Gilbert and downtown Chandler, this home is the perfect blend of location, comfort, and lifestyle. If you're interested in this home or other homes in the area, reach out to Heart to Home AZ. We would love to show you around.